Good day everyone, my name is Relvide C. Espanueva and I am an MTE student from University of Southeastern Philippines College of Technology. So this is my output of my project study or thesis in my master's degree or in my graduate study. So this is what we call instructional animation and drafting. This table is intended for students, specifically students of Baguio National School of Arts and Trades, grade 7, grade 8, taking technical drawing subjects, animation and technical drafting subjects for grade 11 and grade 12. This can be also used by engineers, by architects, animators, and drafters, especially in construction companies. This table has 6 features. First feature is what we have here. This is what we call the transparent working area. So this transparent working area is made up of 5mm glass, and this is more scratch resistant than other glass. This is the second feature of my project. This is what we call the cell phone holder or mirror holder. This is used for referencing the drawing or the outputs of the students or the user. So this can be adjusted by the user's preferences. So you can turn it in the right side, you can turn it also on the left side, and then you can also turn this one into up and down. Depends on the user's preference. Okay? So the next feature is the adjustable or folding table. So this is the transparent working table. You can adjust this one to 90 degrees up to 0 degrees. So 90 degrees for presentation. This is the output, or this is the loop for 90 degrees, and 0 degrees for if the student is finished on his output or drawing. It depends on the user's preferences. So you can also adjust it here. You can adjust it here, that, and then you can adjust it here, this one, and then you can also adjust it here. So this is the adjustable table. Next, the two features of this table is what we call the projected grid lines and the LED backlight. Now, the projected grid lines is manageable by 3 buttons in the front. So these 3 buttons do manage this projected grid lines. For red button, this is the power on and power off of the projected grid lines. This button, the orange one, is to adjust the grid lines into smaller sizes, and for the green buttons, let's try. And for the green buttons, we have these buttons to make the grid lines in larger sizes. Next, for the backlight or LED backlight, this is the control of the LED backlight. This can be adjusted into 0 brightness up to 100 brightness. It depends on the user's preferences. The last feature we have is the laptop desk. This laptop desk is used for technical drafting subjects. This is used for putting their laptops here. they can also use this table or use this place to write up some things or write up some fact sheets or facts about the subject. It has also another pictures here. So if there is a lot of paperworks, you can have or you can put your paper here. And we have also another laptop desk, folding desk here. You can put your things here like coffee, water, or any other snacks. Those are the 6 pictures of my table. So those 6 pictures, on the later part, you're going to rate it from 1 is the lowest and then 5 is the highest. So thank you so much for giving your time and effort in watching this video, and hopefully you answer the survey honestly. Thank you so much.